Hi guys, this is Sushant with Sanvita. Today we both are here to explain you about nutrition in animals. Nutrition is the process of obtaining food and then using it for obtaining energy, growth and repair of the body. There are five main processes concerned with the use of food by animals. As we know that plants reproduces their own food by the help of photosynthesis. But animals are heterotrophs and hence they depend on other organisms for their food. This ready-made food comes either from plants or from other animals. We are also animals and obtain food from plants in the form of rice, pulses, vegetables, etc. And food like milk, eggs, chicken, fish, etc. are obtained from other animals. Many other animals obtain thereof three.
There are five steps in the process of nutrition in animals. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion.
Now, firstly, we're gonna learn about ingestion. Ingestion is the process of taking food into the body or eating of food by the animal. When we put food into our mouth with hands, we are ingesting it.
And secondly, let us learn about digestion. Digestion is the process in which the food containing large insoluble molecules is broken down into small water soluble molecules, which can be absorbed by the body or indigested is the dissolving by the body of the solid food. Most of the animals include both physical and chemical methods for digesting the food. Physical method includes chewing and grinding the food in mouth, and chemical method includes the addition of digestion juice to food by the body itself.
Now let us learn about absorption. Absorption is the process in which the digested food passes through the intestinal wall into the bloodstream. As after the digestion, food molecules becomes small and soluble. This food passes through the walls of our intestine and goes into the blood.
And now let us learn about assimilation. Assimilation is the process in which the absorbed food is taken in by the body cells and used for energy, growth, and repair. Blood carries the absorbed food to all the parts of the body.
And now we're going to learn about egestion. Egestion is the process in which the undigested food is removed from the body. The whole food which we eat is not digested by our body. A part of the food remains undigested which cannot be used by the body and so it is removed from the body in the form of feces when we go to the toilet. Please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.